Import your media to a project. Open Modify Images Compositions and drag and drop your photos or videos. You can use pre-made color presets. Simply select Color Control layer and switch to Effect Control. You can combine them by selecting multiple presets. If you don't need color corrections, simply leave all the presets unchecked. To edit texts, open Modify Texts folder and open Modify Texts Compositions. Import your music to a project and drag it in main composition. Unroll your music layer so you could see a waveform. If you need to fade out your music, go to the end of your main composition and zoom in using plus or minus keys on your keyboard. Then, simply add first keyframe, then add a second keyframe with -50 value. After you finished with configuring your project, edit to render queue. Configure your video codec settings, audio settings, and hit render button.